Hey, I just wanted to give a quick review of my installation of the Eastern Beaver PC8 fuse panel on my 2017 Honda Africa Twin. It was actually pretty easy, and I just wanted to kind of go over the steps that I took. I hooked the positive lead to the positive side of the battery. I hooked the negative side to this ground point. This, if you have one of these, you know this ground wire goes up and in around to the back side of the battery in the hole there. It's easier to hook the lead out here. I did notch this battery cover to let those cables come out of the cover and still let the cover fit pretty snug. So I'm okay with that. I ran them up under the backside of the frame, tucked them along the tank, under this crossmember piece, and then the wiring bundle I curled into here, which is why I decided to mount the fuse panel. I know you may notice the words are upside down. I decided to mount it where the leads all went in on this side because of the way that I coiled this. It made more sense. Hang on just a second. Okay, I took the cover off so that I could show you the inside here. Ground and positive for the switchable fuses. And then this battery lead is also in that bundle coming from the actual battery. Goes over here for the constant power switches or fuses. The first 6 positions are switchable. So with the key, they turn off. The last 2 positions are always on. And that's what this hot wire is for. You'll need a little bitty screwdriver, one of those little tech screwdrivers. Here, one of these kind. It's got a really tiny head on it to get those screws. I have only got right now my GPS wired in here, and I'm gonna put my phone charger in on this terminal, and then I just bundled the relay and the main fuses holders here. I just twisted them down in there and stuck them down in and put some electrical tape around them just to kind of keep them from shaking around. And it's pretty snug in there. It's not going anywhere. Now, the other part of this wiring harness that came with Eastern Beaver is a black wire that I have run back underneath of this little cross member and over to here and tucked in right here and electrical taped to this wiring harness that's going back to the tail light is this. And it's got a white cap on it. You take that cap off. It's actually like a 2-piece little cap. You take that cap off, get it out of the harness. There's some electrical tape holding it. Get the electrical tape cut. Pull it out of that harness, get a hold of it, take the cap off of it, and the black lead that is for your switchable power for your fuse panel just plugs right in there. Now I also took my dikes, my wire cutters, and I cut out a notch in this plastic. Let me walk around the other side real quick. I cut a notch out of this plastic divider right here so that I want to make sure you get a good look at that. So I could just kind of stuff that down in there, and it actually kind of holds everything secure. And I just put a piece of electrical tape there to kind of hold that down. I don't know that it'll stay. It doesn't really matter. And then ran this back all the way through, like I said, to here, and then it curls in with this wiring bundle. And that's really the entire installation. It's pretty simple. I ran my wires from my Garmin Zumo GPS mount down up under the tank and along. This will be back behind the little plastic panel that goes along there, and under this cross member. And then there's like a little converter box on it, and that's kind of wedged down in there, and then ran it into the fuse panel there. Easy peasy. So super stoked to have this on. It's going to make a lot of difference as I get the rest of my accessories. And that's what I got. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see if I can help you out.